In this video, we're going to discuss about the derivatives of exponential functions. Pero dito, implicit function naman tayo. So let's have number 1, find the derivative of e raised to xy plus ln xy equals 3. Okay? So dito, ano yung derivative ng e raised to xy? That is e raised to u, no? So, kopya muna e raised to xy, then derivative ng xy. So, ito naman product rule. Okay? So, e raised to xy times derivative ng xy, that is x derivative ng y, that is y prime, plus y derivative ng x, that is 1. So, xy prime plus y lang siya. Okay? Plus derivative ng ln xy. So, ln u yan. Okay? So, magiging 1 over u or 1 over xy derivative ng y. Derivative ng u or xy. Okay? So, ano yung derivative ng xy? Kamukha lang dito, no? So, xy prime plus y. Okay? Equals derivative ng 3, that is 0. Okay? So, next, distribute natin. So, dito magiging e raised to xy x y prime plus e raised to xy times y or y e raised to xy. So, mamaya na natin ayusin. Plus, ito naman, distribute natin. Makakancel yung x, ang matitira ay y prime. Mali, y prime over y prime over y. Okay, so cancel yung x, tapos nasa denominator yung y. Plus, dito naman, cancel yung y, so matitira ay 1 over x equals 0. Okay? So next, pagsamahin lahat ng mga may y prime. So ito yung mga may y prime, tapos ito naman ilalagay natin sa kabila. Okay? So magiging y prime. So i-factor out na rin natin yung y prime, no? So ang matitira kapag finactor out natin, dito ang matitira ay x e raised to xy. Dito naman ang matitira 1 over y. Okay? Equals, dito naman, ilipat natin sa kabila, magiging negative e raised to xy or y e raised to xy. So dito, magiging negative 1 over x. So divide both sides by dito. So magiging y prime equals negative y e raised to xy minus 1 over x all over x e raised to xy plus 1 over y. So, ang problema dito, complex fraction pa siya. Okay, so kailangan natin mag-multiply both sides by sa numerator and denominator by xy para matanggal yung complex fraction at maging single fraction na lang siya. So, y prime will be equal to, so multiply natin to sa xy, ang matitira ay xy squared. So, negative xy squared e raised to xy. Tapos dito, multiply natin sa xy. Makakancel yung x, matitira y. Over, dito naman, magiging x squared y e raised to xy. Tapos ito, magiging plus x. Makakancel yung y. So, ito na yung final answer natin. For number 2, let's find the derivative of 3 raised to x plus 3 raised to y equals 6. So dito, yung derivative ng 3 raised to x, that is 3 raised to x ln 3, then derivative ng x, that is 1. So hindi ko na isusulat. Plus, derivative ng 3 raised to y, that is 3 raised to y ln 3, derivative ng y, that is y prime, equals derivative ng 6, that is 0, constant. So, mag-divide tayo ng ln 3 sa lahat ng sides. So, ln 3, ln 3, ln 3 para makancel. Okay? So, dito, ang matitira dito ay 3 raised to x. Dito naman, y prime 3 raised to y. Then, dito, 0 pa din. So, lipat ko yung 3 raised to x sa kabila. So, y prime 3 raised to y equals negative 3 raised to x. Then divide both sides by 3 raised to y. So cancel. Ang matitira ay y prime negative 3 raised to x over 3 raised to y. Or pwede naman y prime equals negative 3 raised to i-minus na lang natin yung ano niya. So 3 raised to x minus y. So pwede na yan. Okay, so pwede na rin to. Kahit ito yung gawin yung final answer. For number 3, find the derivative of e raised to y sin x equals y over x. So dito, product to, u times v. So kopya muna e raised to y, derivative ng sin x, that is cosine x. Then derivative ng x, that is 1. Plus sin x, derivative ng e raised to y, that is e raised to y, derivative ng y, that is y prime. Equals, ito naman u over v. So tataas ko tong x muna, derivative ng y, that is y prime. Minus y, derivative ng x, that is 1. All over, square ng x. Okay. So next, multiply na lang natin both sides by x squared. So dito magiging x squared e raised to y cosine x. So dito naman x squared y prime e raised to y sin x. Okay, so inayos lang natin. Then dito mawawala na yung x squared. Nagmultiply tayo x squared sa both sides. Kaya meron din x squared to. Tapos nilipat ko lang sa unahan to, then ito, then huli yung sin x. Equals xy prime minus y. Okay. So next, ilipat ko yung xy prime sa left side, tapos yung walang y prime dito, ililipat ko sa right side. So magiging x squared, ito yung matitira, x squared y prime e raised to y sin x equals, minus, kasi from positive magiging negative, so minus xy prime equals, ito from positive magiging negative din, so negative y minus x squared e raised to y cosine x. Okay, so factor out ko tong y prime, so matitira x squared e raised to y sin x minus x equals negative y minus x squared e raised to y cosine x. So divide both sides by ganito, so matitira negative y minus x squared e raised to y cosine x over x squared e raised to y sin x minus x. Okay, so pwede naman natin tong pagbaliktarin. So ipa-factor out ko lang yung negative dito para maging positive to. Tapos yung negative na ipa-factor out natin, ililipat natin dito. So ang kalalabasan niyan, sa algebra na lang yan. So ito magiging y plus x squared e raised to y cosine x. Then dito, ito na yung magiging positive kasi yung negative dito, nilagay ko sa baba. Kaya magbabago yung sign pareho. So ito yung magiging positive na, then ito yung magiging negative, x squared e raised to y sin x. Okay, so this will be our final answer. For number 4, find the derivatives of e raised to x plus y equals ln x over y. Okay, so dito, derivative ng e raised to x plus y, kopya. Then derivative ng exponent. That is, derivative ng x, 1, plus derivative ng y, y prime. Equals, ito naman, 1 over u, ito yung u niya, yung x over y. So, 1 over x over y. Then, derivative ng x over y. That is, y, kopya yung denominator, derivative ng x, that is 1, minus x, derivative ng y, that is y prime, over y squared. Okay? So, ito yun. Then, isimplify natin. So, distribute natin to. So, e raised to x plus y. Then, plus e raised to x plus y, y prime. Or y prime e raised to x plus y. Equals, eto, babaliktad. magiging y over x, tapos makakancel dito sa denominator. Okay? So, ang mangyayari, magiging xy yung denominator kasi may matitirang y dito eh. May matitirang x sa denominator dito, dito naman may matitirang y. Okay, y. And then, compare natin to, y minus xy prime. Okay, so multiply natin both sides by xy. So, ito magiging xy e raised to x plus y plus xy y prime e raised to x plus y equals y minus xy prime. So, ilipat ko sa left side yung x, yung may y prime, sa right side naman yung wala. So, magiging xy y prime e raised to x plus y plus pala, minus xy prime yan. So, magiging plus na pala yan pag nilipat natin. So, plus xy prime equals y. Ito from positive magiging negative, so minus xy e raised to x plus y. Okay, so factor out ko yung y prime. Then ang matitira dito xy e raised to x plus y. Dito naman ang matitira x. Y minus xy e raised to x plus y. So divide both sides by ito. So matitira will be y minus xy e raised to x plus y over, unahin ko na yung x plus xy e raised to x plus y.